one home business, $2 billion industries. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I want to talk about a home business opportunity that I always talk about, but give a little more details about it, why I'm involved with it, why I'm so excited about it. Just like the intro, it's one home business opportunity in $2 billion industries. The first industry is the advertising industry. All right. Now, if you're watching this video, and you're into affiliate marketing or starting your own business, even local business owners, you can watch this. And one thing that we all have in common is we need to promote, we need to advertise. And that's exactly where Genusity, that's the business I'm talking about, that's exactly where they come in at, because they offer proximity marketing devices that can get your ads seen on people's iPhones, Androids, tablets, laptops, desktops, you name it. Your ad can be seen, right? And that's just right there in itself, because I jumped on Genusity when it was just doing the advertising, proximity marketing beacons and devices. So I was already on like, yo, I love it. But then they jumped in about 3 months ago. They added a CBD line, to the company. Now, if you're not familiar with CBD, look it up. But I'll be doing more videos on CBD, giving a little more information. But if you're not familiar with CBD oils, they're very popular. A lot of people are turning to these oils, similar to essential oils, but to me a little more potent. A lot of people are using these to deal with multiple issues, but one of the main issues people use CBD for is pain. So Genusity actually jumped into the CBD industry and came out. One of their first products is Black Gold, which is a CBD patch that you can wear for 12 hours at a time, water resistant, all of that. Then they turned around and actually released Carolina Gold, which is the actual CBD oil, like the little tincture thing, whatever they call it, like the oil you can put underneath your tongue and all that. They just dropped that, right? And if you're not familiar with CBD, it is growing like rapidly, and it's already $1 billion industry. So what Genusity allows you to do is, once you join Genusity, right, you automatically have a home business in two industries. Do you have to, do both of them and sell CBD and sell devices? No. I got people that strictly don't want nothing to do with CBD, and they just love the proximity marketing devices, and they're building home businesses strictly off of that. Then you got some people just like, I ain't into the beacons. I don't know why they ain't, but they like the CBD and they strictly want to go with CBD. Like my sister, she's jumping on and she strictly wants to promote the CBD products because she's in the health industry, just like me. But so it's like you're not limited. You don't have to do both of them. You could do one or the other, or do both if you want. So it's just like, so many people talk about home business opportunities. People want to jump into a home business. The first thing they want to know is the earning potential, right? And common sense. If you're in $2 billion industries, each industry, making over a couple $1 billion already, I mean, that speaks for itself, right? So I always tell people when they're looking for home business, like, yo, check out Genusity. Like, just check it out, because it's in two of the biggest industries right now, and two industries that are constantly growing. Now, to get to the point, which I love telling people, a lot of people like what I say, and they're like, yeah, cool, 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 but I ain't trying to spend hundreds of dollars to get started. I'm not trying to spend $1,000. Like, a lot of different companies require you to join, and you got to buy $500 up front worth of product, and you got to keep $150 a month and $200 a month upkeep. No, it ain't going down like that. With Genusity, if you just want to become an associate, where that just means all you want to do is just promote the product. You don't want a device, marketing device, and you don't want the CBD stuff. $15 a month, and you can build a home business as large as you want for $15 a month. That simple, right? Now, just to say, all right, maybe you do want a marketing device, which would be smart. So you want to be an associate, and you actually want to promote, offers on your proximity marketing beacons. Now we talking $30 a month. That's it. That's it. $30 a month will allow you to promote products, make as many commissions as you want, and $30 a month will allow you to build a team underneath you as big as you want. It's on you, really, right? So to get started, all you need to do is pay one time, first month, $30, and then after that, it'll either be $15 a month or $30 a month, and you have a home business in $2 billion industries. So if you're watching this video and you're like, this sounds great, right? Jump on it. It is what it is. I talk to people on the phone a lot about this opportunity and explain it to them, and when I do, they're like, oh, that makes sense, right? So all you need to do, I got a link to my Genusity sign up page. All you need to do is put your email and first name in there. If you have any questions, my phone number is in the description of this video. You can give me a call and I can give you more information and walk you through getting started. But once you just put your name and email in, you'll be taken over to the Genusity page where you can jump on, see the products, and actually become an associate today. It's that simple. All right. So like I said, guys, you're looking for a home business opportunity, check it out. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm repping, and it's just some cool stuff. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share. Don't forget my phone number is in the description. So if you got any questions, shoot me a text or a call, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.